All right, so everyone, today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be doing some review for the certain unit that we've been going over for our language arts, which is the parts of speech. So just be prepared, and hopefully you've reviewed these things and have studied a little bit so that it'll lead you to be successful in this activity. So, what we want to do is combine physical activity with the current unit on parts of speech. The first thing that I will tell you is it is going to be a physical activity and a sort of game of tag. So, each person will be placed into a group that corresponds with a part of speech. So you might be in group noun or group adjective or group verb. So just remember which group you're in. There will be 2 places on the field outside that we will use, and let me go ahead and grab up the markers. So the starting point will be the green place. Where you see these markers is where we will be starting. The finish line will be marked by these pink markers, and this is where you will want to finish at the end of the activity, or this is where you're trying to reach the goal that you're trying to reach. So once you are in your groups at the starting line, I will come up and write down a word on the whiteboard. I will put it up in the air, and you guys will have to identify the part of speech. If you identify that you are part of the group that is a part of this word's part of speech, so this is a noun, and if you are in group noun, then that means you are the ones who will be tagging people, and every other group will be fleeing or running. The people who are running want to get to the finish line at the red tiles. The people who are tagging want to stop them or tag them before they get to that finish line, okay? Now, the kicker here is some people will have a little advantage. Those who have studied, if you know the answer ahead of time, you can start running right away. I will have the answer covered and underneath the main word, and I will not show you it right away. Now, if you know the word right away, you can start doing whatever it is that you should do, tagging or running. If you don't, you have to wait. Now, after a little bit of a delay, I'll flip this down and you guys will all know what it is. Okay? Now, just to correspond this with some of the physical activities stuff that we've done, each round is going to change the movement. So, instead of running every single time, we might skip, or we might frog jump, or we might hop on one leg, and everybody has to do this movement, okay? Now, a couple of things that can get you sent back to the starting line. If you begin to run and you don't pick the right answer, so let's say I have car up on the board and you think that you should start running, but you should actually start chasing because you are in group noun, then you will get sent back. Okay? And then this other thing is that if you don't do the proper movement, you will also get sent back. So just keep that in mind. If you start to run, but we're supposed to skip, then I'll send you back. So everybody has to pay attention and listen, okay? So hopefully today will help everyone review this unit so that we feel confident going into our test for the unit, okay? So let's get to it.